Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to automatically reorder your payment methods when your total number of products in the wholesale customer's cart is less than or equal to a specific count. For example, if the cart is having 5 products or less than 5, then you can move the cash on delivery payment methods to the top of your payment methods, followed by this bank deposit and check and demand draft. Let's see how we can do this. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this reordering of payment method, I'm using B2B order limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go for the payment rule section. Now click on create new rule. Now you can name your rule as you wish. Let's say like reordering of the payment methods. Let's say like that. I haven't added any more details here, just giving the rule name as reordering of the payment method. And in case of descriptions, which is completely an optional one, if you don't need to add anything to describe why this rule for and what this road does, those things, if you are not interested in doing all this description, then skip this part. Otherwise, you can add any additional notes to describe why this rule for. I'm adding a rule like a description as rule set to move the cash on delivery payment method to the top when number of products in the cart is less than or equal to 5. So I'm targeting my customers as all customers. If you need, you can also target to the customers with specific tags or customers who has spent some above amount of limit. Then those setups you can set this in the customer targeting section. Next comes the order conditions. So here I'm using product count as my condition type is less than or equal to 5. If you have any additional conditions to add, click on this add new conditions and then go for the condition types. Similarly, you can add multiple conditions, and whenever you are adding multiple condition, you can also have the match types to select, like all condition must match or any condition must match. So in case of any condition must match, the rule will check for the given condition. If anyone is satisfied, then the rule will get applied. So if you are giving all condition must match as the match type, then the rule will check for the all conditions to be get matched to apply the rule. So now I am adding only one condition as the product limit is less than or equal to 5. And in case of action, what I am doing is reordering my payment method, which is the cash on delivery 1. So I am adding my cash on delivery payment method. I am moving this part to the top of the position of the payment section. So after adding all the details, make sure that the status is active and then save it. Now let's test the setup in our online store. So I have already having some products in my checkout page. Let's see how many. So we have 40 plus 10, 50 products available in the cart. Now the cash on delivery is in the second position. Now let's make it below 5 or 5. So I'm adding 2 products from this and 3 products from the second one, so that this will be 5 in number total. Let's try to check out now. Now you can see that the cash on delivery has moved to the top position, which is in the first one. Now let's try with below 5. So I'm adding only one product from this type and 2 from the first one. So let's try to check out now. So there are 3 products available. Still my cash on delivery option is in the first position. So this is how you can reorder your payment methods as you wish when based on the total number of products in the cart. So what you're waiting for, just grab the link from this description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.